Hi, so today this is the day 5 here in Malaysia, so I don't have any makeup at all, and it's a bare face. So I go in the other place near in the bus terminal because some of those people following me everywhere, and not only that, they enter into my hotel again. So it's hard for me to do the vlog, and being a YouTuber, I'm so scared about it, that these people following me with the same face, not because of my YouTube channel, because these people want to kill me. So the airplane collaborating with these people and put me here in Malaysia, and no more connecting or no going in other country, just stay in Malaysia. And my visa in Saudi is already expired, so I don't have money with me, I don't have friends to call, and no one with me right now. And based on my story, my family in Cotabato City, Mindanao, Philippines, already assassin and massacre in those area in Chinatown residential, now abandoned, and no more Chinese in the area because they all go in Hong Kong. So if you watch my vlog, please, there's no safe place to all targeted individual like me or like yours. Take care always, everyone. Mag-ingat tayong lahat.